In this video, I'll show you how to flawlessly edit your photos using AI. So this is the new Nano Banana AI model, and it is crazy. So here is the original photo of a lake, and I liked it otherwise, but I'd like to get rid of the clouds. So I just told the AI to get rid of the clouds, and here we go. Otherwise, the image is exactly like, I mean, this is so incredible. I just discovered this like a couple of hours ago, so I still can't believe this. So this image is flawless. And here's my profile picture. I like it otherwise, but I could be wearing something else. So I told the AI to make the man wear a red shirt. And here we go. Once again, the profile picture changes absolutely nowhere else but the shirt. So this is flawless. And here's actually a photo that I took of a cute little dog that was being walked out by this woman. And I tried to play a little prank to my friends who know this place. And I told that there was this woman walking out a tiger. So I told the AI to just add a tiger instead of a dog here. And once again, everything else in this photo is absolutely as it was before, but now there is a tiger instead of this cute little dog. So now let me show you how to accomplish this. And by the way, this is going to be very, very easy. So there's this new AI image editor model called Nano Banana. And they just released it a couple of days ago. And the best way for you to access this model is by going to OpenArt.ai. And by the way, you'll find a link as well as some discounts in the description of the video. And the reason why I recommend this software is because it's not just the Nano Banana, but it has all these latest AI image and video generator models available. So no longer do you need to create 100 different accounts and sign up to all these shady services to access these features and these models. There's this one place you need to go, and that is OpenArt, and that hosts all these models. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, just sign up here and you have access to everything. So now let me show you how this works. So once you have signed up to OpenArt, you're going to see this dashboard. And now you're going to need to choose the image from the left-hand side here. And then what you need to do is switch this model or character and pick Nano Banana from this list. And now all you literally need to do is just drag and drop an image into the view. So for instance, here is the lake photo that I showed you a couple of minutes ago. Now let's drag and drop that in here where it says image guidance. And then let's tell the AI to remove the clouds. And let's change the number of images to only one. And let's hit create. And by the way, this will cost 15 credits, which roughly turns out to be a couple of cents. So this is like $0.05 or something like that. So yeah, it is costly if you're planning to use it a lot, but yeah, the results are awesome. So I definitely recommend giving it a shot if you need some editing to your photos, that is. And here is the AI generated or AI edited image. So this took like 12 seconds for the AI to produce. And if I zoom it in, as you can see, it is exactly like the original photo, but now we just don't have the clouds. And now here's what's really cool about the Nano Banana. So if we compare this with ChatGPT, which allows you to also edit some photos. Here I have told the AI to change the color of the shirt, but otherwise keep the image exactly as it is. Well, if you take a closer look, there is a problem. Well, the shirt is red and everything seems fine, but my lips look a bit weird in this one, and also my eyes. And here's why this happens. So if you tell AI to recreate this photo or produce a photo that looks exactly like this, in reality, it is still generating a brand new photo. So for instance, if I ask to change the shirt, it is not just going to change the shirt, but it's going to create a brand new photo. So it's generating everything that you see here from scratch. And because the AI used to be a bit of a dice roll, you get all these quirks here. So the eyes look a bit uncanny and the lips are messed up. So you can clearly see that there's something off in this photo. But that is no longer the issue thanks to Nano Banana. There's literally no other noticeable difference between these two photos other than this red shirt, which is exactly what I wanted to have in the new image. Don't get me wrong, there are still some mishaps and quirks what the AI used to do. For example, if we check this photo where the woman is walking out the tiger, it actually looks like this leash has been tied to the tiger's tail, which makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. But you can get around with it by just creating a couple of images, and also who notices stuff like that if they just see a quick photo like this. So this Nano Banana is taking AI image editing to a completely different level. And if you want to try it out, make sure to check the link in the description. I will direct you to this page, and also you will find a 10% discount if you like it so much that you're willing to pay for